It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated and ventilated sport seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,